के ऊपर होता है, एक इंग्लिश के ऊपर होता है और एक आई थिंक कॉम्पिटेंसी के लिए होता है।
विशाल मेगा मार्ट जो है एक बिल्कुल लड़का था वो तैयार खड़ा किया आज से 20 वर्ष पहले।
हाँ तो बस दिखाई कि जैसे इंडिया में एग्जामिनेशन का इतना कल्चर आ गया कि आपको हर चीज़ के लिए कंपेरेटिव
हर चीज़ सस्ता मिलता है उसमें। अभी 69,000 चपरासी का वैकेंसी निकला है।
On a road trip to Qutub Minar, Sehat with a V sign, victory.
इधर पीछे दिखा
Papa,
मीनार।
weekend getaway. Actually, it's not so much of a getaway. It's in the city, just a short 20 minutes drive. This is the whole idea about. First, let's look at what Delhi has to offer. And we started with the nearest and one of the best historical sites, which is Qutub Minar.
Sonal is driving SUV for the first time.
Heart of India's bustling capital, where modernity and history collide, stands a monument that whispers tales of a bygone era. Welcome to Qutub Minar, Delhi's towering treatment to ambition, artistry and time itself. Rising 73 meters into the sky, Qutub Minar is the tallest brick minaret in the world, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that has stood watch over Delhi since the 12th century. Commissioned by Qutbuddin Aibak, the founder of Delhi Sultanate, this victory tower is more than the stone and mortar. It's a chronicle of India's layered past.
बाहर से मजा आता है तो अभी आ रहा है इंडोनेशिया इंडोनेशियन टूरिस्ट।
जाइए जाइए बोलिए बोलिए मैं सुन रहा हूँ।
Muhammad Ghori wanted to make this minar bigger because he had a very great victory and the Jummah Masjid. And in those days there was a trend of selling boys, and who will sell his boys? Who is very poor or whose parents are dead. So you can sell boys like potatoes and onions. So they were holding boys and selling them and reselling. Luckily, he had 3 daughters and they were all married to different husbands. So here it is 3 girls left and 1 damad. Now your point is coming. A very nice man, Shamsuddin Al-Tabash. Damad, Kutubuddin. And he makes 3 floors. And he is buried there. That's why I called you.
इल्तुतमिश
उसकी बेटी रही और वहाँ लिखा हुआ है रजिया इधर आई वो जो ऊंची दीवार देख रहे हैं आप वो ऊंची सी वो मस्जिद हमने पूरी नहीं की उसके पीछे बहुत बड़ा मकबरा है और वहाँ लिखा हुआ है इल्तुतमिश और वहाँ पे पता क्या लिखा है कि वन डे इल्तुतमिश हैज ही गॉट 2 boys 2 girls and the boys are very bad terrible boys they were all dancing with the girls over there picture में भी दिखा है so here it is written Iltutmish Sahib has come very ill 12:35 is the day and he is standing like this. Now you can't say anything to Sultan. Yes sir. My last 2 wish. 1. Everybody will go to the God one day. Allah make my 2. I don't want my boys. My daughter Razia has all the capabilities. She will rule. So she ruled. She built this tomb and they killed her in 4 years in Haryana. Kya her army was not good. So she lost the battle and she died in 1240. So the boys' names are brothers Ruknuddin Firoz and Behram Shah. And then Nasiruddin came on the throne.
बैरम शेख तो बहुत ये था ना बदमाश था.
And then the last slave, he is buried in the back, Ghyasuddin Balban.
हाँ बलबन.
And after Balban, no more. Now
Finish हो
Alauddin
गया.
Khilji's uncle sat on the throne, Jalaluddin, and he was 70 years old, and he married his daughter to his real brother's son, Alauddin Khilji, and the girl name is written here, Merunisa. And he did very big mistakes when he was 71. So he became very angry, Alauddin, and he cuts his head, and they are shown in the movie in Padmavat. No, correct. He was his uncle as well as father. And after killing him, he came to Delhi. We have his fort, very beautiful. It's called Siri Fort.
Siri Foods.
अच्छा ये किसने बनवाया?
Alauddin Khilji. And you know why Siri? Because Siri means head.
अच्छा
So why he did? Because when they had fight with Mongolians, Mongolian used to kill civilians and kill all the men. So he said, what the hell you are doing? Hey, you are fighting with me. You kill me, my soldiers. Why you? If you enter my village, you kill my normal people. Taimur. Mongolians. So one day he caught Mongolians. So he was making the fort, and his engineer said, what will be the name of the fort? Siri. Sir, Siri means head. Cut their head and put in my fort. So we still have Siri Fort, but we have developed this beautiful lake. It's called Horse Cars Village, and now we have restaurants and many shops and very nice.
फिरोज शाह कोटला कैसे है?
ये Firozabad है, Firoz Shah Tughlaq Sahib, and he made that. And now they play cricket, and he made 2 more Firozabad. One is Firozpur near Punjab, one is in UP, and he made 2 floors there. He was a very nice one, and he repaired Al-Tamash tomb also is near. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Date लिखी 36. Now 1 more minute. Why I was there? I'll tell
Look closely,
मंदिर में.
and you will see the minar's 5 distinct stories,
ये ध्यान रखिए.
each adorned with intricate carvings that blend Islamic, Persian, and Indian architecture
मैं
styles.
खोला मैं 85 में खोला 2005 में बंद कर दिया.
The verses from Quran
लोग जम करने लगे.
etched into the warm sandstone tell stories of faith, while the motif hints of artisans' mastery, their hands shaping history, one chisel stroke at a time.
ഇന്ദിരാ ഗാന്ധിയുടെ ഇതും പിന്നെ ലോട്ടസ് ടെമ്പിളൊക്കെ കാണാനുണ്ട്.
तो आप एक काम करिए सर, एक चक्कर लगाइए, इसके पीछे रुकिए और जरा इस दरवाजे को मीनार को देख के आइए।
तो मार्बल उतना नहीं लगा है।
ये पहली बार मार्बल लगा है।
इसमें कौन बैरिड है?
It's the beginning. The Qutub complex is a treasure trove of wonders. Here stands the enigmatic iron pillar, a 1600-year-old marvel that defies rust, a metallurgical mystery that still baffles scientists. Nearby, the Quwat ul Islam Mosque, one of the earliest in India, bears traces of temples that once stood here. Their stones repurposed yet preserved in silent harmony.
जहाँ ये लोहे का खंभा इसमें आती है।
उसमें कोई मन्नत मांग
हाँ वो पीछे से, लेकिन हमने बंद कर दिया क्योंकि लोग इसकी लिखाई खराब करें। सर अब आपने ऐसे घूम के और यूं जाना है, बस यही है यहाँ।
चलो देख
थैंक यू भाई।
लॉस
सर
हम
पेज हो तो दे दीजिएगा।
ये क्या है ये
ये बता, ये मंदिर
Step through the Alai Darwaja, a gateway of breathtaking elegance, and feel the weight of centuries. Built by Alauddin Khilji, its arches and domes are a masterclass in Indo-Islamic architecture, a bridge between worlds old and new. Qutub Minar is more than a monument, it's a living storybook. Locals and travelers alike come to marvel, to reflect, to connect with a history that feels as alive now as it did 800 years ago. As the sun dips low, casting the minar's shadow across these ancient grounds, we can't help but feel the pulse of Delhi's past beating in the present.
देखो शायद ये अभी तक रस्ट नहीं किया है।
Qutub Minar isn't just a place to visit, it's a journey through time. A reminder that even in a city that never sleeps, history has a way of standing still, inviting us to pause, to listen, and to wonder.